Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today we are doing the spring cleaning daily deal for Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. We've been doing this for the last week. One more day of this. So today's daily deal has to do with rulers and templates. And as you can see, I've got quite the assortment of things just kind of hanging out around me. So you can see we have a very large selection of templates and rulers. And we have all kinds of different ones. So I'm going to show you some of them, but just for refresher, the way this works is you have to go to softsquares.com today. This is the only day this sale works, and the code that I'm going to give you works, and you have to do it on our website and check out today. So it's softsquares.com, and today is Rulers and Notions, and it is National Zipper Day. So the keyword is zipper. Z-I-P-P-E-R, all lowercase. So that's the word that you need to put under the coupon code, and it will give you 30% off all items under rulers and templates. Okay, so let's look at some of the things we have. We have Creative Notions. We pretty much have all of her templates, which are amazing, and we'll look at those closer. I have Lori Holt. I have Tula Pink. I have the Spin Around. I have my own stuff, which is the Softsquares. We have Creative Grids. We have the Block Lock. I've got just some generic templates up here. I have Ulfa, and that's ones I can think of at this very moment. I have It's So Emma. Here's one right here that falls under that category. These are dog ear clipper tool, and it's just this little tool right here, and it helps you to clip your, you can see it better on the picture than you can in the plastic. It's just a little tool. So there's stuff like this. Here's a binding tool. This right here is to use on your rulers. It's a ruler lip, and it helps you to keep flush with your board. So this falls into this category. We also have a hot hammer. Again, it's a ruler or template. So we have this, and you can actually press right on it if you needed to. And then I have things like this. So this is a template to make a bowl cozy. And you have two different sizes. So you have the big size and then the little size that cuts out of there. And speaking of bowl cozies, so Creative Notions, this is a template for a bowl cozy using a 10-inch square. And with Creative Notions, we have all the rulers, 12-inch, see, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Nope, I don't have 6. 6, she sold out of those like immediately. But I have all these, and they're color-coded. And then I have, where'd the other ones go? All these specialty rulers by Creative Notions. We have her Flying Geese tool. We have this one, which is, looks like 11 by 2. We have this 60-degree template ruler. You also have the clamshell EPP set, which gives you the little template as well as the papers. We also have the big one. This is a 6.5-inch clamshell. We have these that come as a set. It's a circle, so you got 5-inch and you have the 6-inch. We also have the apple core. We have the Rompus Star set. So you get the triangles as well as the different sizes of that. Orange peel set. And then she's got instructions and information on all of these. This right here is a foldable template. This is folded in thirds, and it has a special sticky hinge. I don't know if it's not sticky, but it's a hinge so you can open it up. So it's really, really, really good for travel. And I don't think it says on here what it is. It does, it's just backwards. Strip ruler. It's a strip ruler. And it looks like it goes up to 62 inches. Is that right? No, that's 60 degrees. Sorry. Has the degree marks on there. Don't listen to me. 24 inches. Anyway, there's 3. And again, it opens up. We have, and I talked about all of these. These are all the different sizes. Creative Grids. or Creative Notions. And then I also have these. These are two different sets. These are the small hexies and these are the bigger hexies. And they come as sets. And with this, the bigger one, you actually get this little part. And this one comes with a ring. And when you're all done, you can put them all on the same ring. Actually, this one has it too. Or keep them separate, but the little one does come with a ring. I also have her kite set. It is a 9-inch kite. And so that's what it makes. Okay, so I have all of those. I have the block lock. I have a flying geese in 2 sizes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes of the squares. I have Creative Grids. This is the Crazier 8 set, which has a whole bunch of templates, and this shows you how you can put it together. They're all different. They're all these pieces in one set. I have different triangles. This one right here is a spider web triangle. This one right here is crazy long. It is a 10-inch wedge. I also have the skinny 10-inch curvy log cabin. And Mr. Fix-It's boxing some stuff, so if you hear noise, it's just him. I have several triangles. 60-inch diamond tiny and the 60-inch diamond mini. This one right here is a 6.5-inch ruler. So if you get the Creative Notions rulers, she does not have the 6.5 anymore, but look, you just add that to your set and you just keep going. There's your 6.5 right there. We also have this, which is a Creative Grids multi-size 2 peaks and 1 6-inch triangle, and there's several patterns on the cut loose patterns that use this, and they show you how to use it. So this is fascinating, and that's a specialty tool. I have this one right here, which is a perfect rectangle ruler. This is the spider web one. I also have the Stripology mini square ruler. I also have some off-brand ones where the price is a little bit better. We have the 4-inch drunkard's path. It comes with a pattern. So here's your templates and here's the pattern. This one right here is the dimensional Dresden. And of course the template is sitting on top of the pattern. But let's look at what that pattern looks like. There you go. Oh, look at that. They're making them. They definitely are making them dimensional. So that comes with your template on that one. I have the wedding ring template, which is really hard to see with the glare. Very large, very, very large. This is, well, it has the center, it has the orange peel shape, the curve, and then the little diamond. So it has all the little pieces so you can cut this, and it gives you really good instructions on how to use it all. But that's what that is. It's for the big wedding ring. This is a specialty block for a very specific thing. It's from the Buddy and Company Press and Stash Building Blocks. And I do not know enough about this other than I have some of these in my inventory. And there are some things online you can look up for that. And you might even already have the pattern and know what to do with this. But it has the smaller square, which actually came out of the middle. Then it has this, and there's cutouts through there. So we have that. Let me just check here. All right. Soft Squares has our own set of rulers. So here's just a little one. It is a 2.5 by 6.5. It is a Creative Grids template or ruler that I have. And then right here are our specialty heart templates. The sizes go from 1 inch all the way up to 5 inches, and they're on this ring, and you can take them off and use whatever size you need. The really cool thing is they also have score marks, so you can help it to get centered or whatever you need, but it says the size of it right there on the side, and it comes with the ring. So that you're going to find online. We also have these templates, which are the I forgot what it's called. Almost Anything Goes or something like that. That's funny. I clearly don't have them labeled. But these are the curved ones, like for the oblong drunkard's path. And if you need curved stuff. We also have this specialty ruler right here, which is just a really nice size. It is 8.5 by 3. Yeah, 8.5 by 3. And, no, by 4. Nope, 3. 8.5 by 3.5. Couldn't even remember. This right here has special score marks on here, so you can do a 6.5-inch flying geese block using this ruler. And this was actually in the mystery quilt that I had put out. By the way, there's still some available at softsquares.com. So, but I want to show you, in addition to this, the other flying geese option that we have. We have this one. We have the Creative Notions flying geese. And this actually has a lot more sizes. This was just made this way because the pattern that we needed for the mystery quilt is very specific. But if you need a 6.5-inch flying geese, that will work. But anyway, here's this one that has all the different sizes. We also have the Creative Grids. Now, where did I put it? I've been moving things around. Oh, here it is. The Ultimate Flying Geese tool. So here is the Flying Geese tool from Creative Grids. And I think there might even be another one. Right now, I just don't remember. So I'm going to show you what else we have. So again, there's just stuff in here. We have a crazy template. We have a mini pineapple. We have Ulfa. This is a frosted template. We have specialty templates that are from pattern designers. And so this one right here is from called Modern Curves from Cotton and Joy. It's basically a drunkard's path. We also have this one called Shorthand. It's a curved piecing template by Rachel Rossi. And on the back here are her patterns, and you can see, and I do have a bunch of her patterns in my inventory, and her templates are fascinating. They are soft, and they have this non-slip foam, kind of. It will not slip. So they're a different style altogether, but these are her templates for Rachel Rossi. Then we have these gigantic spin-about tools. Another Dresden. This comes in different sizes. This one is 10.5 inches. And then we have a 12.5 inches. We have 16.5 inches. And we have a 20.5 inches. And these are square rulers. So these are all on sale on our website. We also have Tula Pink. I've got these two just handy here for Tula Pink. This one has an owl on it. It's kind of hard to see with all the, maybe you can see. And this one has a giraffe that's on it. So this one is 6.5 by 24.5, and this one's 10.5 by 24.5. So double the size. So we've got these two big rulers from Tula. Now the Lori Holt, and again, there's more than I've shown you. I just, had to stress the point. We have options. Lori Holt, we have the cute cuts. This right here is her 5 ruler set of rectangles. And then here we are with the squares in the green and in the blue. And the difference between these two is this has a 1/2 inch all the way around it, so the numbers start inside the blue. And this has the 1/4 inch, and this has the 1/2 inch all on one side. So just depending on how you need to use them. Maybe this helps by looking at it up close. But this one is 6.5. So actually that's what you can do. You can get the Creative Notions full set down to 7.5, and then pick up this, which is your 6.5 down to 2.5, and you're covered. Lori Holt also has this in her cute cuts. It's the slim side ruler set. It's a triangle. And then this qualifies. This falls in that thing. It's a template. These are for her bee plaid, So Simpler Shapes. It's the Farmhouse Star. It's that. And then I have some template sets, which I don't know if you can see. So I've got this set right here that has 1, 2, 3, 4 square plus a rectangle one. And the purple set has 3, 4 plus the rectangle. Actually, they're exactly the same, just different colors, except this pink one has the hot pressing thing to it. That's the only difference. All right, so now I have this big pile of templates right here. So what did I miss? Anything? Ruler? So just know we have templates. We have lots of templates and lots of rulers, and we have sets. I even have It's not here on the wall. I can't get it down because it's kind of behind things, but it is by Fiskars. It's a Make a Quilt gift set that has template, rotary cutter, a big template and a little one with the rotary cutter and scissors. And here we are. So just know today, again, the code is Zipper for National Zipper Day, ZIPPER, all lowercase. There's no capitals on any of these. You have until midnight tonight to take advantage of it. You get 30% off, but you have to go to softsquares.com and check out today and use that code. If you have any questions or issues, be sure to email us. Mr. Fixit at softsquares.com is the best way to reach us. And if you have any questions, we're here. So stick around. There'll be one more day of the spring cleaning sale. So I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.